Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today in this video I will be sharing with you a 95% winning strategy that you can use to make money in 2024 trading forex. All right, so basically this is a strategy that works over time. It has been working, and if you trade synthetic indices, you can try this out. That's the derivative, the volatility indices, the VIX 75 and all that. Okay, so firstly, one of the things you need to know is that you need to understand market structure, right? So first of all, market structure is basically the way the market moves, either uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, and you can see the market forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, and change of market structure. So you need to understand market structure, basically how to mark out higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower lows on the daily time frame. How to, and there's a video in this YouTube channel for that, so you need to go to that video and watch about market structure, know how to mark out market structure, right? So after marking market structure, so basically market structure, I will not talk about that here again. I just want to show you, this is just know how to mark. One of the first thing for you to trade this strategy, you need to know how to identify market structure using the highs, using the wicks and all that. Okay, so after marking out your structure in the daily time frame, now another thing you want to check out for is your liquidity levels. All right, so liquidity basically, okay, all right, so basically liquidity, so let's just check liquidity forex. All right, so basically liquidity is basically money. All right, so you can see here that liquidity describes the extent to which an asset can be bought and sold quickly and at stable prices and converted to cash. Basically is where money resides. So if you see this level here, is basically where there's money, and liquidity levels involve levels. We have one, we have equal highs, equal lows, and patterns. I'll not go to the other forms of liquidity, but I'll just take this theory. All right, so you need to know that these equal highs, equal lows, the one you call double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, they are all liquidity levels. All right, so we spotted out that there's a double bottom here and it went up. All right, so also another thing you should check out for is your order block. So basically you need to know what an order block is. So an order block is basically an area where there are orders. All right, and there are orders there, the banks are waiting to take orders, they are already okay. So order block refers to specific price areas where large market participants such as institutional traders have previously placed significant buy and sell orders. So this box I marked out is the order block, and we have two types of order block. We have the bearish order block and we have the bullish order block. All right, so the bearish order block is the last buy candle before the push down. That's before the market came down. Then the last candle before the market went up for a bullish move. The last candle in this region before the break of structure to the upside is the order block. So basically there is a whole video, I'll be doing a video on order blocks only very soon, but just I don't know if you get this, just understand this last buy candle for a bearish order block, bullish order block, last candle after the move. So after this break you mark out and all that. So all right, so basically we're going to, after that you need to understand that for your order block to be valid, you need to have a fair value gap attached to it. So a fair value gap is a gap, is a theory, like I said, theory significant candles, theory candles that are in line, all right, that are in line, all right. That's the low of this candle and the high of this candle. That's the wick. There's a gap. Now I just want to explain this so that you understand and get the concept of these things. All right, so you need to get the concept right. So no matter how small it is, so far there is a gap in between them. This is too small, but I don't know if you got this. If you got this, I'm just trying to show you something. All right. So that gap there is your fair value gap. All right. So if you have gotten your fair value gap, that is a confirmation that the other block will hold, and that liquidity level price will come back and take it out, because there are a lot of buyers here already buying the market, like trading retail. If you are trading retail concept, you know that you know that the double bottom, that's traders that buy at double bottom, for example the W, the M pattern, they buy. Later on, market will come and take out this level because there are a lot of buy orders here and stop losses here. So we're basically following the institution, like you said. So basically this is it, and you need to understand structure. So first of all, let's go to the chart now to see what I'm talking about. All right, so basically let's go to the daily time frame. Like I said, trading V75, go to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, you need to check out structure. All right, so basically your structure is the current structure of the market. Don't go too far, so you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we are going to use for this illustration around this region. Okay, around that region, like I said. Okay, so since you knew that okay, the market is on a downtrend, I want to just show you how I caught this trade on V75 using this setup right here. All right, so I saw, after understanding that okay, the market is on a downtrend from the higher time frame perspective, okay, so I saw that okay, this, like I said, the last buy candle for a sell is the other block. So I marked out that block in conjunction with our equal lows. All right, this thing happens in the market every time. Equal lows are fair value gap, so you can see that the structure was clear here. Clearly you can see lower low, lower high, lower low, then created a double bottom, then came back to this other block and sold. So you can see, so the thing is, this pattern shows almost every time in the market, so but I did not just enter immediately from here. What I do, I waited for a confirmation entry. So this is, if you want to enter from here, you enter as the risk entry. Immediately just place your order at the top there, and place your order, and your stop loss above your TP down. So you see that the market came back, took that place out, and why I'm targeting this low is because of the higher time frame perspective. All right, so you can see our fair value gap is here. You can see the theory candle pattern from the high of this candle to the low of that candle. We have that fair value gap. So this is another example. It's always everywhere in the chart. So if you are trading support and resistance, you know that support turned resistance. So after breaking that level, we were expecting price to come back to that. If you are trading with a concept, well, I saw that as a mitigation block. All right, so I knew that price will definitely come to this region. So when price got to that region, I saw this equal lows here. This is a confirmation that the price will definitely take it out. You can see when where it came to, where it took it out here and coming here. So the thing is, in this your order block, one of the things you need to wait for is reversal patterns. So you have the type 2, type 1 reversal. If you're trading ICT, you see that this, see the market can just form this type of reversal, right? This type of reversal, change, wait for the change of character, then wait for it to come back to the other block and then shut it down, or this, sorry, or this. Failure swing and boom, like it did here, forming a breaker block, and that breaker block was the one they don't even use this other block here again. So let me go to another chart to show you this same example, and you see that this thing works pretty cool. All right, during the live analysis we did this analysis. All right, and this is another pattern. So what we're seeing here, I said liquidity levels are basically patterns. Also patterns are also liquidity levels. So we see this head and shoulder pattern. Normally if you're a retail concept trader, you know that definitely you buy from this once you see this break of that neckline and all, right? So we saw that pattern here, we saw that pattern here at the break of the neckline, came back there, tapped in, went up. So coming into this breaker block, price gave us a change of character, and then because of this liquidity level, we knew that price will definitely go down. All right, price will definitely go down. All right, so this is another example. Is everywhere, all over the chart, is all over the chart, all over the chart, all over the chart. So just go to your chart, practice these things. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. This is the Era Traders, and we are going to definitely go deep into the market and learn various stuff. So please click on the notification bell, and also if you want to reach out to me, the contact is in the description below. You can reach out, and you can learn more and talk more on how to make money this 2024. All right, so let me just show you one more example. I think this 25, all right, this 25. Let's just check one more example, then so this 25. So this 25 from the daily time frame, we already, oh yeah, this trade, I had this trade for a very long time, and this is a very short trade. All right, so you can see that this was the double bottom I saw that made me hold this trade for this long. All right, for this long, just risking that small amount to help me hold this trade for this long. All right, so you can see that it's still going down, it's still going down, it's still going down and all. So basically these things works pretty good. Once you can identify a liquidity level and you see a reversal pattern, you can trade into that liquidity level, taking out these buyers. All right, so thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.